this session we are going to learn to find the acceleration and velocity of an object moving on an inclined plane. At the same time, we also draw the graph for the object moving on an inclined plane, the marble rolling on the inclined plane, that is displacement and time graph for the marble rolling on an inclined plane. So to do this experiment, what are the materials required? Glass marbles. First one, glass marbles and books, and next one is the digital clock. Give me that. So this is the digital clock. Next one, long plastic tube. In your textbook given it is 200 centimeters, but it is not available. I have taken only 80 centimeters long tube. See this one. I marked the distances. Okay, what is the length of the plastic tube? That is 80 centimeters. I have taken a plastic tube of 80 centimeters long. Next one, another one is and steel plate. This is the steel plate. See, to identify the sound of the marble, I am using this plate. Okay, now come to the point. Before starting the experiment, we should learn what is an inclined plane. This is the plane. Okay, this is horizontal. This is known as horizontal. Kshitija samantaram. Now, this plane is raised to certain height with the horizontal. It is making some angle with the horizontal. అంటే క్షితిజ సమాంతరం తోటి కొంత కోణం చేస్తుంది. దాన్ని మనం ఏమంటున్నాం అంటే inclined plane అంటున్నాం. What we call it? Inclined plane. A plane which makes some angle with the horizontal is known as inclined plane. Okay. Now first I am taking 10 degrees. Angle of inclination is 10 degrees. See this one? I am using the books to fix 10 degrees. See this? See the reading here? 10 degrees. This is 10 degrees. Observe this one. This is 10 degrees. Okay. See this? Here I am fixing the plane. Now see this? This is 10 degrees. Angle of inclination is how many degrees? 10 degrees. Now see this? I am fixing it. Now I have taken the marble. To give more support, give me one more book. One more. Okay. Now the angle of inclination is how many degrees? 10 degrees. How many degrees? 10 degrees. Now I have taken the marble. See, what is the distance? This is 0. Here is 80 centimeters. What is the distance traveled by the marble? 80 centimeters. See this one. Stop it. 2 seconds. How much? 2 seconds. For 80 centimeters displacement, time taken by the marble is 2 seconds. What is that? 2 seconds. Next one. Where is the marble? Second attempt. I am taking second attempt. Okay, see this one. Same 80 centimeters. This is 4 seconds. You have to make it 0. 0 chesna, huh? Okay, right. Next, third attempt. Two seconds. Now, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 divided by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 2 left over. Okay, 3 6 that means 2.6 seconds, roughly 2.6 seconds. Okay, 2.6 seconds. Next one, I am rolling the marble from a distance of 70 centimeters. See this one, 70 centimeters. Same angle. Again, 2 seconds. Next, in my second attempt, same distance, see this. Again, this one is 2 seconds. Where the marble? Okay. This is the last attempt. One second. Is it correct? 1 second. Is it correct? Is it correct? Okay. 2 plus 4, 2. 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 divided by 3 means 1.6 seconds. Near 1.6 seconds. Okay. For same angle of inclination is same. Next one. Where is the marble? Now, see this. Now the distance travelled by the marble is how much? 60 seconds. 60 centimeters. Sorry, 60 centimeters. After this one. 1 second. For same, it is third attempt. 1 second. Next one. 60 seconds, that is, this is 70, next 60 centimeters, 1 second. In the second attempt, see this one, 60 centimeters, again 1 second. Next, third attempt. This is equal to 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 divided by 3, that is 1.3 seconds, roughly I am writing. Okay? For 10 degrees it is completed. For 10 degrees it is completed. Next one, you have to calculate the velocity of the marble. Velocity of the marble. See this one. What is the velocity of the marble? Observe this one. What is the formula? S by T. What is S here? T divided by time is, you can take it as 2.6. Okay, next here it is 70 divided by 1.6. Here it is 60 divided by 1.3. Okay, let us calculate that one. 80 divided by 2.6. 1 minute, fast look at it. Start. Now listen to me. When we calculate velocity of the marble, observe this one. Here it is 30 meters per second, here it is 43 meters per second, here it is 46 meters per second. If you observe this carefully, the velocity of the marble goes on increasing, and the angle of inclination increases. Inclination పెరుగుతున్న కొద్ది ఏమవుతుంది, velocity కూడా పెరుగుతుంది. Next one, observe this acceleration. A is equal to 2s by t square. When you calculate the acceleration, see this one. For the same angle of inclination, acceleration is how much? 23.6 meters per second square. Here it is 54 meters per second square. Here it is 71 meters per second square. If you take the average of these three, you will get what is that? Average of all the accelerations. You will get average acceleration of the marble. Where is the marble? I kept it. Okay, this will give the acceleration of the marble rolling on the inclined plane or inclined track. I am clear about that one. When I change it, see this one. After this one, now you come. Now the angle of inclination is 20 degrees. Keep the books here. One more book. Now the angle of inclination is 20 degrees. What is the angle of inclination? 20 degrees. Are you clear about that? So What is the angle of inclination? 20 degrees. Now I am rolling the marble from 80 centimeters. 80 centimeters. How much? 1 second. Here for 20 degrees, here I am writing time taken T1 is equal to 1 second and T2 is equal to second attempt. Observe this one. How much? Again it is 1 second. T2 of 1 second. Next one. In the third attempt. You have not started. Okay. Third attempt, see this. This is the last attempt for 80 centimeters. 1 second. T3 is how much? 1 second. Average is equal to average. T is equal to again 3 divided by 3 means 1 second again. It is 1 second. Next, velocity is equal to displacement by time. What is the displacement here? 70 centimeters. Not 70, 80 divided by 1. This is equal to 80 meters per second. 80 meters per second. Okay. Next, here in the first case 30 meters per second. Here in the second case 80 meters per second. As the angle of inclination increases, as the slope increases, the velocity of the marble goes on increasing. The velocity of the marble goes on increasing. Are you clear about that one? Okay. Next, if I take further readings for 70 centimeters, for 60 centimeters, like that, we can find velocity and acceleration. Velocity and acceleration. See, if you observe this carefully, as the marble is rolling down, what is happening? Its speed is increasing. It is traveling in this direction. Okay, there is no change in the direction of motion. The direction of motion is not changing, but the speed goes on increasing. Are you clear about that? That's why if you draw the graph for this one, motion of the rolling marble on the inclined plane, if you draw the graph, displacement versus time, you will get a curve. Because it is non-uniform motion. Are you clear about that? It is non-uniform. Okay? Are you clear about that? Right. Thank you. Even in your textbook, page number 49, is there any relation between the slope and acceleration? There is a relation between slope and acceleration, because as the slope increases, acceleration goes on increasing. 30, 40, 50 like that. If you go on increasing the angle of inclination, okay, what happens? Acceleration goes on increasing. And another question, what do you notice from the distance diagram for various slopes? If you plot the graph for this one, taking time on x-axis and displacement on y-axis, you will get a curve like this. Okay, you will get a curve like this. So with this we can say that the motion of the marble on the inclined track is non-uniform motion. That is accelerated motion. We call it as the accelerated motion. Okay, thank you. Right.